So just a quick daily update on Solana then on our daily time frame. As we can see, looking quite bearish, to be honest. More bearish than the rest of the market. It's quite interesting, isn't it? Because I'd say we've been more bullish than most of the market and looking a lot stronger than most of the market recently for Solana. But over the past week, we have been looking a lot more bearish. You can see Bitcoin here hasn't really done that much of a drop. Obviously, we know the rest of the altcoin space overreacting, as always, to Bitcoin having a little drop. But Solana here looking very bearish as we continue down. We've got back down to this support level, as you can see. We're bouncing at this support level multiple times here. After breaking out to the upside of this ascending wedge, we're now back at that support, and we could be looking for a decent pullback for Solana if Bitcoin continues down. It looks like Solana, if you look at the hourly here, kind of gaining momentum to the downside, ripping through some levels. Have we got any interesting... We did have this fair value gap here that we inversed. We obviously had this accumulation, the manipulation, then we did get this... We started to get this distribution back up here, but we actually came down and failed, I think, Bitcoin just dragging the market back down, as you can see quite clearly here. And really looking like Solana keeps losing support levels, doesn't it? I mean, if we start to come down... I did say a few videos ago we'd come down to that $200 level if Bitcoin kept dumping us down, and we're almost there, look, after being up at $250 just a few days ago. About a week ago, we're up here at $250, already down to 200 here. What is that, a 20% pullback for Solana? That's pretty interesting. Definitely getting into a good area. Just about 20% drawdown right now. If you are getting long up here, like a lot of people were, according to charts. Very interesting stuff for Solana at the minute. Obviously, has been looking much stronger than most cryptos recently, kind of indomitably grinding to the upside. If you look across the market here, we've got mixed results, but mostly bearish stuff, or at least a sideways chop for a lot of cryptos, as you can see. Solana's been driving to the upside recently. Ever since we came down and swept that $100 level, we have been making higher highs and higher lows, grinding our way up. But Solana here, looking a little bit bearish, to be honest. We're going to have to watch this. If Bitcoin keeps dropping, we could see Solana here continuing to the downside. But obviously, we are at support right now, and you'd probably expect a bounce here if the altcoin space can get a nice little bounce. As always, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.